Are you tired of being bombarded with notifications for friends' birthdays on Snapchat? Well, fret not, because I'm here to guide you through the process of disabling these notifications. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open up the Snapchat app on your trusty Android device. Step 2. Look for your avatar or profile picture, usually situated at the top left corner of your screen, and give it a tap. Step 3. Next, locate the settings icon positioned at the top right of your screen and tap on it. Step 4. Now, within the settings menu, find and tap on the notifications option. Step 5. Among the list of notification settings, you'll see an option for friend birthdays. Simply unmark this option to bid farewell to those birthday notifications from your pals. By following these easy steps, you can take control of your Snapchat notifications and enjoy a more personalized experience on the app without the constant reminders of your friends' birthdays. Say goodbye to the birthday alerts and tailor your notification preferences to suit your preferences.